To fix the aircode 22 issue on an LG refrigerator, it's essential to understand what this code signifies. The aircode 22 indicates a problem with the compressor relay. A faulty compressor relay is a common cause of this issue. To resolve the problem, replacing the compressor relay is often the best solution. This can be done by purchasing a new compressor relay from a trusted store and following a DIY approach. Start by carefully unplugging the refrigerator. Then slide it away from the wall to access the back. Remove the lower panel to locate the compressor start relay, which is usually found near the compressor. Before removing the old relay, take note of where each terminal is connected. Once the new relay is installed, replace the back panel, plug in the refrigerator, and slide it back into position. Turn on the power and wait for the compressor to start running, which should be accompanied by a distinct noise, indicating the fridge is working correctly. If the compressor doesn't turn on, check the wiring at the terminals for any issues. Alternatively, if you're not comfortable with this process, you can hire a technician to install a new compressor relay.